Prime Minister Modi attended the 350th Martyrdom Day of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji at Kurukshetra. He released a commemorative coin and stamp. The Prime Minister praised the Guru's sacrifice for religious freedom and recalled his courage against Mughal tyranny. He said, "New India never bows down to terror." Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday participated in a special program commemorating the 350th Shahidi Divas of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, the revered 9th Sikh Guru in Chandigarh. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji sacrificed his life for the cause of humanity and for the protection of religion. He was a great spiritual guide and a true patriot. He promoted love and unity in society. He encouraged people to fight for truth and justice. The Prime Minister released a special coin and commemorative stamp marking the 350th Shahidi Divas of the revered Guru. Guru Tegh Bahadur was the youngest of 5 sons of Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, the 6th Sikh Guru, and Mata Nanaki. At just 13 years old, Tyagmal distinguished himself in the Battle of Kartarpur against Mughal forces, displaying extraordinary bravery and skill with the sword. His fearless valor earned him the name Tegh Bahadur, Mighty of the Sword. In his address, the Prime Minister said that Guru Sahib gave up everything to protect the tilak of faith and to ensure that people's religious beliefs were never suppressed.
धर्म का तिलक सुरक्षित रहे, लोगों की आस्था पर अत्याचार न हो, इसके लिए गुरु साहिब ने सब कुछ न्यौछावर कर दिया। साथियों, आज गुरु साहब की इसी बलिदान भूमि के रूप में आज दिल्ली का शीशगंज गुरुद्वारा हमारी प्रेरणा का एक जीवन स्थल बनकर खड़ा है। आनंदपुर साहब का तीर्थ हमारी राष्ट्रीय चेतना की शक्ति भूमि है।
Guru Tegh Bahadur's life reached its pinnacle in a selfless sacrifice made to uphold the fundamental right to religious freedom. When a group of Kashmiri Hindu Pandits faced forced conversion under the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, they turned to him for protection. PM Modi underscored the Guru's extraordinary courage in standing up to the Mughal ruler.
उस क्रूर औरंगजेब ने गुरु साहिब को बंदी बनाने का आदेश दिया, लेकिन गुरु साहब ने खुद दिल्ली जाने की घोषणा कर दी। मुगल शासकों ने उन्हें प्रलोभन भी दिए, लेकिन श्री गुरु तेग बहादुर अड़िग रहे। उन्होंने धर्म और सिद्धांतों से समझौता नहीं किया, उनका संकल्प अटल रहा। उन्होंने धर्म का रास्ता नहीं छोड़ा। तब की अवस्था में गुरु साहब ने अपना शीश धर्म की रक्षा को समर्पित कर दिया।
PM Modi said that the entire world has seen that the new India neither fears terrorism nor bows before it, referring to Operation Sindoor.
हम शांति चाहते हैं, लेकिन अपनी सुरक्षा से कोई समझौता नहीं करते। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर इसका सबसे बड़ा उदाहरण है। पूरे विश्व ने देखा है, नया भारत न डरता है, न रुकता है और न आतंकवाद के खिलाफ झुकता है।
Guru Tegh Bahadur is revered for his unparalleled sacrifice and steadfast stand for religious freedom. Devotees honor him as a martyr who bravely opposed persecution and defended every individual's right to follow their own faith. He willingly embraced martyrdom in 1675 in Delhi. His sacrifice is hailed as one of the greatest acts of defending dharma, human dignity, and freedom of conscience. Bureau Report, DD India.